things that the people in the world were doing. God knew that Noah was a good man, and he asked Noah to build a huge ark. Noah cut down all the trees.
Use the wood.
He used the wood to build a huge ark. God also asked Noah to put 2 of every animal in the world onto the ark. He put on 2 tigers. Put on 2 lions. He put on 2 spiders. 2 snakes. 2 echidna. 2 peacocks. 2 giraffes. And 2 of every creature. To punish all the evil people, God sent rain for 40 days and 40 nights. It rained so hard that there were floods. Noah, his family, and all the animals were saved from the floods. The time came to try and find land, and Noah sent a raven to bring back a branch, but the raven came back with nothing. So later on, Noah sent a dove to try and find land. Dove's a bit late. The dove returned with an olive branch. God had pulled the plug. The flood waters rushed away. Noah was happy because he knew that the waters had fallen. Him and his family and all the animals returned to the land and lived happily ever after.
Very good. Yay!